Hey guys, as most of you might have already noticed, this is Venue S Plus 1.2 liter petrol engine and manual transmission. So I'm not going into the specs details. Right now we are 54 more kilometers till empty. Now we refueled about 2110 rupees petrol. Now it shows 415 kilometers till empty. So we can check the speed being built up gradually. Now we are at 25 kilometers per hour. We can rarely notice the speed being built. Now at 40. Now we are at 65 kilometers per hour. Now 70 kilometers per hour. We just crossed 80 kilometers per hour. So as you must have heard, there is a beep after 80 kilometers per hour, then a beep at 100 kilometers per hour. If we cross 120, there is a continuous beep. 80, 100, one beep. After 120, it is continuous beep. So the NVH levels are pretty much controlled. We can barely notice speed being built up. I often fail to notice that we are at 120 kilometers per hour. Only after it beeps I realize it. So coming to the power, it is decent for planned overtakes. So if you want unplanned overtakes where sudden power is needed, we feel lack of power, but it is not really needed for everyday driving. Only for more enthusiastic drivers it is needed, some racers sort of. So also the bad patches of roads are barely noticeable in the cabin. Just this fourth and fifth gears we need to upshift and downshift often. So the suspension is kind of soft suspension. We barely notice any potholes on the road. They are very much handled. Kudos to the Hyundai's team. MID, there is a provision where we can check the average mileage. Right now it shows as 18.5 kmpl. Sometimes it shows as 20 also, but I barely trust it. As we have noted the reading of odometer in the beginning, let us calculate the mileage ourselves by dividing with the number of kilometers traveled and the amount of fuel. As I have already told, we can check the bad patches of road here. They are full of patches and potholes. We can barely notice them in the cabin. I often feel this, unless windows are rolled down, we won't be connected to the outside world. Sometimes it is a weakness, sometimes it is a boon. If something bad is happening outside, we will not be able to notice it. That is the curse. But we will be protected from outside world. That is a boon. If something bad is happening, like very high noise on the road, some bad weather sort of things. Also, if we are hitting some vehicle outside, we won't be able to notice inside if windows are rolled up. So now we will be traveling around 54 kilometers till we reach highway. Yeah, now we have arrived on the highway. Highway rides are even more joyous in Venue. So there are less potholes and the quality of road is very good usually on highways. And during night times, as we can see, the intensity of light is very less. I barely see things on road when we are on low beam. Only on high beam I tend to notice things on road. This is one drawback from Venue. Intensity of light coming from these headlights could have been better. Obviously, those wearing specs would face even more difficulty in night driving. By the time trip ended, we traveled around 300 kilometers, 20% city, 80% highway. So on an average, I noticed around 15.5 kmpl mileage. Please like if you loved the video, subscribe to hear more.